Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel Creative Data. So let's go kids. Color name. Red color. A. A is for apple. Brown color. B. B is for ball.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Green color. C. C is for cat. Yellow color. D. D is for dog.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Blue color. A. E. E is for elephant. Blue color. F. F is for flower. Pink color. Z. Z is for gorilla. Green color. S. S is for hen. Pink color. I. I is for ice cream. Black color. Z. Z is for juice. Silver color. K. K is for kid. Blue color. L. L is for lion. Red color. M. M is for mango. Brown color. N. N is for nest. Green color. O is for orange.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Orange color. P. P is for taste. Yellow color. Q. Q is for queen. Blue color. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sheep. T. T is for tiger. Pink color. U. U is for umbrella. Blue color. V. V is for van. Red color W. W is for watermelons. Brown color X. X is for X-rays.
A B C D E F G H I J
Orange color
K L M
Y.
N O P
Y is for
R
yet.
S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Z.
Next
Z
time
is for
won't you sing
zebra.
with me?
So let's go kids. Bye kids.
A B C
Thanks for
D E
watching.
F